Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable dark mode on your Google search in your Google Chrome browser on your Android phone. So for this guys, first you need to open your Google Chrome browser. After opening, you need to open www.google.com page like this. After this guys, here you can get three lines in the top left side corner. Just tap on it. From here you need to open the settings. In the settings guys, here you can get the option in the appearance section. I have already set Google search theme for dark mode. As you can see, if you want to disable, you need to select light theme like this. After this guys, just scroll down. Here you can get the option save. Just tap on save and tap on OK. That's it. So now it will disable the dark theme on your browser in Google search. In case if you want to enable the dark theme, same thing, go to settings, select the dark theme. From here scroll down and select save. That's it. So this is the very easy and very simple method guys. That's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.